guys, I'm trying some pigtail and burnt turkey neck for the first time. Burnt turkey neck for the first time. You guys told me to try it. I tried the regular one. I'm telling you, say it never nice. I only said no, not the regular turkey neck, the burnt turkey neck. So we'll go back to the drawing board. We got a meat shop. I'll buy my burnt turkey neck and let's try it and rate it. All right. Hold on, let me try the burnt turkey neck. I'm now I mistake the pigtail for a burnt turkey neck now. Ha! This have a buzz. Smoky. Nice. I give this a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10. Close. It very nice. If any of you know any other combination with one think better than this, cause this up there now. Let me know in the comment. It's nice.